know what's the greatest thing about paella? I mean, besides the fact that it has shrimps and mussels and clams and squid and saffron and rice and paprika and pepper. It's the fact that you make it in one pot. You cook it in one pot, you serve it in one pot, your partner tries it, they look at you, they look at the kitchen, and they tell you, wow, it's the first time you made a good dish without creating a nuclear disaster in the kitchen. Everybody's happy, and that's why it's a great dish.
On medium-low heat, drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, sear 4 or 5 tiger prawns for 1 minute on each side. Take them out. I'll leave them aside for now. Throw in a medium onion, half of a green pepper, half of a red pepper, all cut into cubes. We are going to use chicken stock, so I'm only going to use half a teaspoon of sea salt. For the rest of the spices, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Mix and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the onions start to be translucent. Add 150 grams of shrimp and 150 grams of squid. That is roughly 5.3 ounces of each. Cook for 3 minutes. Add in 250 grams of tomato sauce, or a 15-ounce can for our friends who refuse to believe in the metric system. Add 300 grams or 10 ounces of medium or short grain rice. No basmati, no jasmine rice here. Mix it all together. And add in 650 ml or 22 fluid ounces of chicken stock. I added a pinch of saffron to my stock, but it's up to you. After all, it's just the essence of paella, so feel free to skip that. Now add in a handful of green peas, 6 mussels, and 8 to 10 clams. Add back the prawns. Cook for another 40 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Turn off the heat completely and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Garnish with parsley, sea salt, and lemon wedges, and enjoy.
All right, it's time to see how good this is. First, we start with some lemon juice. Oh, this is good. It's very good. I really can't talk so much because I'm enjoying it. I can't finish this. I mean, I can, but I want to share it with my girlfriend. So thank you for watching. As usual, if you like this video, you know what to do. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll leave all the ingredients right below this video. I'll see you next time.